The Philippine National Police believes it has found the missing links in the disappearances of several Sabongeros, and they are no less than the brothers of self-proclaimed whistleblower Julie Patidongan, or alias Totoy. Here is a report.
The Philippine National Police now has in custody 2 individuals believed to be missing links in the case of the missing Sabongeros. The suspects have been identified as Elakim Patidongan and Jose Patidongan, brothers of self-proclaimed whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidongan, also known as alias Totoy.
Naniniwala tayo, ito yung mga missing link doon sa mga kaso ng missing Sabongero.
CCTV footage caught Elakim withdrawing money from a bank account of a missing Sabongero.
Ang tanong dyan, paano napunta sa kanya yung ATM? Kasama ba siya sa nakumuha doon sa nawawalang si Melbert Santos at 3 pa niyang kasamahan? May nag-utos ba sa kanya para mag-withdraw? At may alam ba siya asaan na itong mga nawawalang missing Sabongero?
Jose, on the other hand, appeared in a cell phone video escorting a Sabongero in handcuffs who was later reported missing. The Patidongan brothers were arrested in an undisclosed Southeast Asian country and flown back to the Philippines on July 22. Jose has a warrant of arrest for robbery, while Elakim is wanted for falsifying his identity, having used the name of Robert Bailon on his passport. The PNP asserted that charges must be filed against the Patidongan brothers, including alias Totoy, as part of the legal process. This is especially crucial if Totoy is to be considered a witness, as suggested by some families of the missing Sabongeros.
Kailangan po silang sampahan ng kaso bilang mga accused, kasama po si Julie Patidongan, who himself admitted na alam po niya itong mga nangyayari po na ito. The only way para po sila maging witness at ma-discharge as state witness, kailangan po silang sampahan po ng kaso.
Meanwhile, the PNP confirmed that no DNA profile could be extracted from the bones recovered from the Taal Lake so far. Due to the extended submersion in water, the bones were contaminated and yielded no usable DNA. Additionally, the 3 remains recovered at a public cemetery in Laurel, Batangas did not match the DNA samples provided by the families of the missing Sabongeros.